Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your SVG exports from Illustrator. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Illustrator and ensure your document is ready for export. Navigate to the File menu in the upper left corner of the screen. Select Export from the drop-down options. In the submenu, click on Export As. Choose the location on your computer where you want to save the SVG file. In the Save As dialog box, set the file name for your export. From the Format drop-down menu, select SVG. Click the Export button to proceed. A new dialog box labeled SVG Options will appear. Here, adjust the settings according to your needs. Make sure to check the styling options, often set to inline for best compatibility. You may also want to select SVG 1.1 or the latest version for broader usability. After finalizing the options, click the OK button. Your SVG file will be saved in the chosen location. To back up this file, consider copying it to a cloud service or external drive. Open your File Explorer and locate the SVG file. Select the SVG file you just exported. Right-click on the file and choose Copy. Navigate to your backup location, whether it be a cloud folder or external drive. Right-click in your backup location and select Paste. Confirm that the file has been successfully copied to the backup location. Repeat this process regularly to ensure you always have an up-to-date backup of your SVG exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.